Welcome back, friends. In this video, we'll learn how to create this incredible hover over image slider in PowerPoint. As you hover your mouse over the images, you'll notice how they expand seamlessly. Looks like this presentation was made with UI/UX designer tools, but not. It's made with PowerPoint, and let's learn how to do it. This video is an updated edition of this particular video, which is one of the popular videos on this channel. After receiving numerous requests for adding voiceover and improvements in video quality, I've responded by creating this revised version, which includes a detailed step-by-step procedure on how I created this awesome image slider in PowerPoint. Throughout my journey with PowerPoint, I've designed this video with easy-to-follow steps that allow you to follow along and craft this fantastic and creative image slider in PowerPoint. Without further delay, let's dive right into the video. With a blank slide, first go to the Insert tab. Select Pictures and then this device. Choose a picture and click Insert. With the image selected, go to Crop. Choose Crop to Shape and select the rounded rectangle shape. Select Crop again to view the crop area. Open the Format Picture sidebar. Navigate to Picture Corrections and select Crop. Under Crop Position, change the width to 1.4 and the height to 6.5. Adjust the crop area like this and click outside to apply the crop. Position the image as you wish and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Right-click on the duplicated image, go to Change Picture and select this device. Select the second picture and click Insert. Select Crop and adjust the crop area for the second image. Repeat the duplication process by pressing Ctrl+D. Right-click to change and insert the next image. Adjust the crop position. Repeat the duplication process by pressing Ctrl+D. Right-click to change and insert the next image. Adjust the crop position. Repeat the duplication process by pressing Ctrl+D. Right-click to change and insert the next image. Adjust the crop position. Repeat the duplication process by pressing Ctrl+D. Right-click to change and insert the next image. Adjust the crop position. Fixate the first and last images like this. Select all the images and go to the Picture Format tab. Choose Align, then select Distribute Horizontally and Align Middle options. Let's insert a text box and format it like this. Choose your desired font and size, and center align the text. Go to Text Options. Under Solid Fill, select white as the text fill color, and under Solid Line, select black as the text outline. With the text box selected, go to the Shape Format tab, choose Rotate and select Rotate Left 90 degrees. Place the text box like this. Utilize the grid lines to ensure the text boxes are correctly aligned. Select the text box and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Place it on the next image as shown. Duplicate the text box 4 more times to get duplicated text boxes on top of each image. Change the names as you wish. Now select each image and its respective text box. Hit Ctrl+G to group them. Repeat grouping for all the other images and their respective text boxes. Right-click on the slide preview area and select New Slide. With the second slide selected, press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Create 6 empty slides for slide linking purposes, as we have 6 images to animate. Select the first slide, then select the first image. Make sure you selected the image within the group. Go to the Insert tab and click Action. In the Mouse Over tab, select Hyperlink to and choose Slide to from the list. Repeat this process for the next image and link it to slide 3, and so on for all remaining images. Link each image with the consecutive slides as I do. Now that we've linked all the slides, we don't need the empty slides anymore, so let's delete them. Select the first slide and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Select the first image on the second slide and go to Picture Correction. Under Crop Position, change the width to 3.65. Go to the Picture Format tab and click Crop to view the crop area. Adjust the image however you want. Now select all the image groups and go to the Picture Format tab. Under the Align option, choose Distribute Horizontally. I'm adjusting the corner radius to match the other images. Select this text box and go to the Shape Format tab. Under the Rotate option, select Rotate Right 90 degrees. Go to the Home tab and change the font size to 40. Manually adjust the text box position in the center of the image. Duplicate the first slide again and bring it as the last slide. Repeat the processes we've done for the previous slide for each subsequent slide. Select the second image on the third slide. Adjust the crop position. Set the crop area. Distribute all the image groups horizontally. Adjust the text box formatting and position. Match the corner radius with other images. Duplicate the first slide again and bring it as the last slide. Select the third image on the fourth slide. Adjust the crop position. Set the crop area. Distribute all the image groups horizontally. Match the corner radius with other images. Adjust the text box formatting and position. Duplicate the first slide again and bring it as the last slide. Select the fourth image on the fifth slide. Adjust the crop position. Set the crop area. Distribute all the image groups horizontally. Match the corner radius with other images. Adjust the text box formatting and position. Duplicate the first slide again and bring it as the last slide. Select the fifth image on the sixth slide. Adjust the crop position. Set the crop area. Distribute all the image groups horizontally. Match the corner radius with other images. Adjust the text box formatting and position. Duplicate the first slide again and bring it as the last slide. Select the 6th image on the 7th slide. Adjust the crop position. Set the crop area. Distribute all the image groups horizontally. Adjust the text box formatting and position. Match the corner radius with other images. Let's select all the slides and go to the Transition tab. Apply the Morph transition. Set the transition duration to 0.75 seconds and deselect this On Mouse Click option. Now select all the images and press Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup the images and text boxes. Do this for the groups on all the slides. Let's view the presentation in slideshow mode. You'll notice that the images expand seamlessly when the mouse hovers over them, creating an engaging interactive experience. Hope you can make your own using this tutorial. If you really like this video, you will like this playlist as well. Do check it out. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye, signing off, the Slide Master.